we've got that A is equal to V minus U over T. We're given that V is 0.07 correct to one significant figure, U is equal to 0.056 correct to two significant figures, T is equal to 0.00453 correct to three significant figures. Work out the upper bound for the value of A correct to three significant figures. So we've got A is equal to V minus U over T. Now, for this is a division. For a division, we want this to be large as possible, and we want the lower part here to be as small as possible, which means for the difference here, we would need this to be the upper bound, this to be the lower bound. That will ensure the greatest range here, i.e. the greatest subtraction. And obviously here we want that to be small, so we want the lower bound. So the upper bound of V is going to be 0.075. The lower bound of U is going to be 0.0555. Okay, and the lower bound for T is going to be 0.004525. Okay, when we're considering significant figures, these zeros are not important. Okay, so we just pop that in our calculator. Use the fraction button on your calculator. That's going to give you 780 over 181. And then use the S to D button to get 4.3093. We have give our answer to three significant figures, so that 9 is the third significant figure. We'll make that 0 or 1, so we give a final answer of 4.31 to three significant figures. So this has been the video to show you how to work out an upper bound of an expression where there is a difference and a division. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.